Hey everyone, today we are going to discuss about is cybersecurity the right career path for you? Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that your bank account has been emptied and your Instagram account has been hacked and your company's entire website has gone offline because of cyber attack. Scary, isn't right? So the truth is incidents like this happen every single day, not just to big companies, but also to ordinary people like us. That's exactly why cybersecurity has become one of the fastest growing and most in demand career in the world. So today, let's understand what cybersecurity really is, why it's so important, who can build a career in it, and how AI is changing the future of this industry. So cybersecurity is a practice of protecting computers, networks, and websites, mobile devices, cloud platforms, application, and digital data from cyber attacks, unauthorized access, theft, or damage. Think about your daily routine now. Okay, so you use online banking, UPI payments, shopping apps, social media, email, cloud storage, and office application. Almost everything today is connected to the internet, right? And wherever technology exists, cyber threats exist as well. So that's why cybersecurity is no longer just an IT requirement. It's a necessity for everyone. So why is cybersecurity important now? Every organization today stores valuable information. Banks protect financial transaction, protects hospital protect sensitive patient records, and e-commerce companies protect customer details and payment information. And government organizations protect critical national data. Even a small business stores employee records, customer databases, and confidential company information. If this data falls into the wrong hands, it can result in financial losses, identity theft, legal penalties, reputational damage, and in some cases, even threats to national security. Cybersecurity helps prevent these attacks and reduces their impact when they occur. Now, one of the biggest reason people are choosing cybersecurity today is the incredible career demand. Every company, whether it's a startup, whether it's a multinational corporation, whether it's a bank, whether it's a hospital or a government organization needs cybersecurity professionals. So there are many exciting careers options, including security analyst, SOC analyst, penetration tester, and the best part is you don't need to know everything from day one. If you build a strong foundation, practice regularly, work on labs and projects, and stay curious, you can build a successful career even if you are switching from another field. Now, let's talk about something that's transforming cybersecurity faster than ever before AI. So, today, AI helps security teams to detect threats much faster, analyze millions of security events in seconds, identify usual behavior, and automate repetitive tasks and respond to attack before they become major incidents. But here's the interesting part is hackers are using AI too. So they are creating more convenience phishing emails, automating the attacks, and generating malicious code, bypassing security systems, and developing smarter attack techniques. That's why modern cybersecurity professionals need to understand not only traditional security concepts, but also how AI is being used to both attackers and defenders. The future isn't just cybersecurity anymore. It is AI powered cybersecurity. So, if you ever wondered whether cybersecurity is the right career for you, here's my answer for you. Like, if you are curious about technology, enjoy solving problems, and are willing to keep learning, cybersecurity can be one of the most rewarding career choice for you can make. And this is only the beginning, okay? In the upcoming episodes, we will learn everything step by step from networking and Linux to ethical hacking, web security, penetration testing, cloud security, AI and cybersecurity, and much more. Everything will be explained in simple language with practical demonstration so that even complete beginner can follow along. If you are excited, start your cybersecurity journey and don't forget to follow this series. If you are found this video helpful, like it, share it with someone who wants to learn cybersecurity and leave your question in the comment. So this is Sky States and I'll see you in the next episode. Stay curious, stay secure and keep learning. Thank you.